Guys, today I might be getting a new dog. I'll show it to you.
They're part of the story.
Here's Elsa.
How many books are in that?
A
lot, huh?
Over 200.
Huh?
Over 200.
Oh, really?
Hold on, guys, let me go find the dogs. Here's one.
No emergency room. If you go to the emergency room, you can sit there for hours. I know, it doesn't. The cave.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Steve. You want to see the lizards we got in our house now?
You have a
Big
bunch?
old, we call them spinies.
I got
Lizards.
a big spider a few days ago.
And we feed them.
You do?
We get mealworms. We flip a mealworm. They come off the wall or like this. Grab it. Punch. Yeah. Big old guy. And the guy bought
Fred.
the guy behind her.
Fred.
Finances.
Freddie.
Swing the deal.
Oh.
Bought her house.
Hi, LJ. LJ.
Yeah, I think his mother's moving in the front house.
Oh.
Yeah, paid 100. I think right around 150.
Guys, I got new dogs.
Hey, that's your house.
I'm a pidgin. Then, guys, I got one more pet.
So I wasn't going back and forth to my phone, but I got a lot of stuff left over. But I thought, I don't know what I'm going to need, so...
Four birds right there.
$160 for all the stuff that I had to buy, because, you know, you got to buy, like...
Elsa!
But I, you know, it's kind of fun.
There's...
When did we do that? In April?
What, that? I don't know.
May, maybe.
Maybe.
We had to bring it to open house,
Uh-huh.
right?
Hey guys, that's all my pets. So, there you guys go. And I'm not gonna be one of those kids who like, I go in phase and stuff, like, the people that are selling us the car. Oh yeah, and if you know Gabriel, he got a new Doberman. Probably none of you guys know him, but that's his house across the street. So, bye guys. I'm going to do another shout out today. I don't know who. Leave a comment if you want another shout out.